Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to change your personal information in the online portal. So when you first log in, you want to go ahead and click your name in the upper right corner, click your contact info. On this page, you can update the two-step verification. You can turn it on, turn it off. You can also change it from being sent to your phone to an authenticator app. You can also change your password. And if you scroll all the way down and click on edit, here you can change your phone number and your address. Now, unfortunately, you cannot change your email address in the online portal, but what you can do is complete a change of contact information form, send that to us, and then we'll go ahead and get that updated for you. So to do that, you want to open up a brand new tab by clicking on this plus icon right here towards the top of the page. Then you want to enter theentrustgroup.com right here at the top. Click enter. Then you want to click on forms right here at the top of the page towards the right. Then you want to click on manage your account right here. And here's where you'll find the change of contact information. So just click on the down arrow, then click download PDF. Once you complete this form, you have a couple options. You can go ahead and print it out, scan it, and then email it back to us, fax it, or mail it. Here's our fax number and our address. And if you scroll down in the middle of the page down here, you'll see the email to send it to. You can also electronically sign this form as well, but keep in mind that we only accept electronic signatures through DocuSign, HelloSign, Adobe Sign, Dotloop, Authentisign, and Sign Now. In addition to that, your profile with those electronic signature providers has to have the same email as the current email address on file for your account. And lastly, we'll need a certificate of completion from one of those electronic signature providers, which is a one-page document generated by them, which basically proves and confirms that you did truly electronically sign. Once you send us this completed form, we'll review it and process it. And that's how you change your personal information. Thank you.